crude oil and natural gas both finding the resistance on the upside. I've mentioned earlier in the day 68.2, 68.3 zone should be a greater resistance, precisely hitting the zone. We have seen oil retracing sharply and we have seen it now again coming back to 67.6, 67.5, a good support zone. And natural gas likewise has respected so far 2.35, it is not traded. Now, what to expect from crude oil and nat gas with the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update, the second update for the day. Those who it was the first update must have already profited. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Watch. Now see oil here on the hourly charts after the drop has retraced towards 20 period, finding the resistance here at 68.2, 68.3, trying to drop again. But largely I will be watchful of this because see it could try to stay in this retracement channel itself and thus on the downside as long as 67 levels are not taken today. In fact 67.2 is not taken today. We should not be trading all as bearish. As long as this zone is respected, we have to be cautious here with the sells here. Though right now it is trading bearish looking downwards, I will recommend you to sell here at 67.5 now and expect 67.2, 67 or 66.8. If it breaks below 66.8, just stay short. We are looking forward to a greater fall here. Yes, largely looking at this, it is trading in this channel. It is staying bearish. The top of the channel is far above towards 69.6. The stochastic has dropped to the bottom. MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, similar observation here. The drop, the retracement towards the top, double top is formed and now trying to drop again. Now here is the support at 67.5, 67.4. Once it breaks below this, we can look forward to further move towards 67.2 or in fact 67. And it would also like to form a double bottom before rising. This one possibility should not ignore. Double bottom means 66.8. Hitting the levels, it could bounce back again. Why it could bounce back? It is right now trading extremely oversold. Look at the stochastic, this has dropped. MACD here is retracing here and it is trading in green. So far it is not showing any signs of bearishness here on MACD. RSI is comfortable here near to bottom. Coming to 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour, look at the formation, the drop, the retracement, the bullishness got diminished and then one sharp bearish candle has appeared. Now this is willing to deliver a second one in formation, and thus once it drops below 67.5, 67.4, we can look forward to a move towards 67.2, 67 or 66.8. And once it drops below 66.8, then you should be treating this as bearish, else it is still not bearish. Ideally what it can try to do best is form a double bottom and then bounce back. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is still rising, RSI is comfortable. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, similar formation. See here hitting higher highs, slightly higher highs. We have seen it delivering lower lows. The median, if you talk about the median right now, also look at the support levels here. See here also you can find it is slightly delivered lower lows, so higher highs lower lows. The median right now somewhere here in between 67.8 to 68 zone. Very good resistance will be observed here. Any move beyond 68 should be a good sign for us to initiate a buying entry. That should take it towards 68.4, 68.6 zone, the next resistance, and in fact 69 levels are also possible. Right now I will still not treat this as bearish as long as it respects 67.4, 67.5 zone here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising, the RSI is almost flat at bottom. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into daily, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. We trade diverse instruments, including multiple indices and commodities from across the globe on a single trader signals channel. Do not miss to join it today and enjoy the profits. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and yes, a safer environment for you to trade with easier transactions and withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. What it has done, it is trying to deliver a little swings here, and once it stays above 68, we can initiate a buying entry, but then wait for it to stay above 68.3, 68.4, and then we can look forward to 68.6, 68.8, or in fact 69.2, 69.6 as well. Yes, a possibility of a slight retracement. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD is trading bearish and RSI is hitting the bottom here. Now, looking at this, a selling entry now is at 67.5, 67.4 levels, below which you can expect 67.2, 67, 66.8. Now, 66.8 should be an ideally very, very good support, forming the double bottom. We can expect a recovery even, and this is the only case if it tries to drop below 67.5, 67.4. Ideally that should be a very, very good support for the day here. In fact, till 66.8, do not treat this as bearish. So below 66.8 is where you can look forward to further drop, where I will be looking forward to 66.2, 66.3 levels next target. And if it drops below this, 65.75 levels will come into picture, chances of which appears to be less. So yes, or sell side, yes, you can sell at 67.4, 67.5. On the buy side, I will recommend here at 68, where you can expect 68.3, 68.4 first, 68.8 the second, and then 69.2, 69.6 is also possible here. Yes, take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, natural gas today has given a gap down opening. After the gap down, it is trying to trade bearish here. It has come down towards the next support at 2.35. Very, very good support exists here at 2.35, 34, and then 2.32 levels here. And as I have mentioned earlier, till 2.25, do not treat net gas as bearish as long as it respects 2.25 levels here. And in fact, for the day 2.32, that should be the bottom of the channel here. And for the week 2.25, as long as it respects 2.25, do not treat this as bearish. So yes, right now it is trying to look downwards below 2.3534 zone. You can initiate a selling entry, expect it to move towards 2.32, 2.3, 2.28, 2.25 levels, chances for which appears to be less. However, these are markets. Stochastic looking down, MACD trading extremely bearish, RSI has dropped sharply. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, after giving a gap down here, it is right now looking downwards, trying to trade bearish here. Coming to the support zone, and below 2.3435, you can look forward to 2.32, 2.3 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading extremely bearish here, RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Lower highs here, lower lows here, just waiting for it to break below 2.3534, and below which certainly more bearishness towards 2.3 to 2.3 levels will appear. And yes, again and again I am repeating, till 2.25, do not treat this as bearish. Moving averages have started to converge a bit. Stochastic oversold, MACD has crossed over here at the top. It is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, you can see retracement towards the 20 period moving average. This should be a very good support here, but right now I can see a drift towards on the downside, possibility of a move towards 2.3 to 2.3 adjust. Ideally this should be a very good support. 2.28 and 2.25 anyways is going to remain the strongest support here on the downside. You can also notice that see, net gas is respecting this beautifully bullish channel here, and the lows of the channel are towards 2.3 to 2.3, which should not be breached. Stochastic oversold, MACD has crossed over here and it is trading with divergence, looking downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, the observation is more or less same. After giving a gap down here, it is trading bearish. Lower lows, lower highs are seen. Drop below the 2.35, 2.34 zone should be a good support here. Now, below which you can expect 2.3 to 2.3 zone. And yes, the levels I am not going to repeat again. 2.28, 2.25, very, very good support. The convergence of the moving averages here is a good sign for the bulls. What the best it would try to do is can try to deliver a couple of bearish candles before reversing here. So the bearishness could be smaller, the bullish candles are stronger. At best, hitting the lows here of the channel, it could recover, if not today, possibly tomorrow. Stochastic here is overbought. This is a concerning point. The MACD here is trading bullish with divergence. The RSI is almost flat. Considering this, a buying entry now I will recommend is at 2.38 levels, where you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 2.4, 2.4 to 2.45. Beyond 2.45, we are looking forward to 2.5, 2.55, 2.6 levels very, very soon, if not. On the downside, a selling entry at 2.34 is recommended, where you can expect 2.3 to 2.3, 2.28, 2.25. I do not see it breaking below 2.25 any point of time soon. Thus, take your positions accordingly. Possibly a little retracement. This is what it is trying to do. And yes, a gap down, which is it has shown, it can try to fill it very, very soon again, which means a rise beyond 2.42 is to be seen very, very soon. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch, join the signals channel, reach out to me for your queries related to the services, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session, which gives you a fair bit of idea on what to expect from the commodities throughout the day. And yes, there are diverse commodities including gold, silver, oil, gas, and indices including the majors from US and the UK and the Germany. So do press the bell icon for notifications on all the updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again soon.